Okay, you read it. What does it say?
Turtle.
Spider. What about that one?
Car.
Car. What about this?
Camel.
Camel.
Look at that.
What is that?
Tongue.
Tongue.
No eating.
What about this?
Wave.
Wave.
No, what that?
Okay. What about this word?
No one go at that.
Okay, read that word. What does it say?
Big baby.
Huh?
Big baby.
Big baby?
No, this is baby.
Yeah, it's a baby.
No, baby put there.
Okay.
Baby. Yeah.
What is that word? Zip. Put the zip right here. What about this one?
Mommy, please say, oh, no for cold.
Okay.
No for cold.
It's okay. Just put it right there.
Yeah? Big givey.
What is it?
Givey.
Gorilla. Okay, put it down. Okay.
One.
Put this one.
Two. Shoulders.
Shoulders. Good.
Chips. Taxi.
Chimpanzee.
Done.
Okay, what is that word? What does it say?
Eating.
Eating. That word.